Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all wrong Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Let me close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Then turn on Bluetooth. We can tap here and turn on Bluetooth. Done. Then tap on this Bluetooth label. Now phone is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Next, I am going to connect this Bluetooth device. Let me open the lid. Then put this device in pairing mode. Press and hold this button. Now this light is flashing. That means now this device is in pairing mode. Go to phone, tap on scan. Here you can see OnePlus Buds 4. That's the name of this device. Tap on this name. Then tap on pair. Tap here. See, it's connected. So this way we can reset all wrong Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.